An educated patient is an empowered one. This operational philosophy at LiveMore helps us to inspire, motivate, and empower our clients with the safest and most effective life-saving information and therapy aimed at adopting habits that restores normal body function, make a well-informed healthcare decision, and reversing the dangers of chronic terminal diseases such as cancers, diabetes, addictions, heart, kidney, and liver diseases. If you want a permanent solution to your health through lifestyle therapy options or a clearer understanding of your diagnosis and its care at an atmosphere that promotes healing, then LiveMore is the best choice. Locate us at Afinia, on the Tima to Akosombo Highway, near the Axel Wait Station, or call us at 0244041634. Better still, you can visit us at www.livon-gh.com for further information. LiveMore. Empowering patients.